So now Mahayana. Now Buddha didn't again directly jump to meditation. Now Buddha has taught the 6 parameters. Now 6 parameters. First, Jimba. What we say now? Generosity. The second, discipline. Then third, patience. And fourth, diligence. After teaching these 4, then again with the Buddha's method and wisdom and compassion, Buddha taught something different. Shamatha here. The 6th one is Sharam, wisdom. Here, Dhammito Sharam, the selflessness of I and the selflessness of phenomena. When we go for the selflessness of I, to realize that within the aggregates we don't find I. But how to realize the selflessness of phenomena? But phenomena also outer appearance and inner consciousness. Now outer phenomena, when we check, the phenomena itself, suppose like car. Before, I is not present in the car. But now, not only I is not present, but even the car itself doesn't exist. The form itself doesn't exist. Then, feeling, before, within the feeling, I doesn't exist. Now, feeling itself doesn't exist. So like that. Now, lastly, going to the consciousness inside. The understanding of the emptiness of phenomena has 2. Zungil. Zungil. Dulten chamye patang. Okay? Jinba. Sheba. Kichi chamye ba. So these 2. Now inside consciousness. 8 consciousness, right? So this 8 consciousness itself doesn't exist now. Before, I is not there, but still I can see, I can hear, still the existence are there. But now this existence of consciousness itself is, empty now. So when we understand this, then the state of shamatha and the state of no phenomena, outer appearance, and the inner grasping of the consciousness, when we are able to understand this emptiness, now this shamatha emptiness and the vipassana, the wisdom emptiness, has to become one. So when it becomes one, that state again, we have to meditate. So when we meditate through this, again, although now here the true knowledge, inside Dondam Gyenten, the absolute truth is there. Yet, at the same time, they have a compassion for them. The people who didn't realize this, for them they realize that doesn't exist. I mean, they are, they stay beyond the suffering or this one. So it's a great emptiness. So this state is called Tongni Chombo, the great emptiness. So this state we have to maintain. Once we maintain this state, then from there the Nyingje, the non-dual compassion. Why the Bodhisattva is not still a Buddha? Why? Because even in the Bodhisattva, the mind stream, still there is a subtle concept, Shejagi Diba, the obscuration of wisdom. Now what is that? No matter even the Bodhisattva Chenrezi, I am Chenrezi, the Bodhisattva. Still they have a concept that there is a sentient being to be liberated. Still in the mind stream there is a sentient being. Me, a Bodhisattva, them as a sentient being. Until and unless this obscuration of wisdom doesn't dissolve, there will be always duality. Not like our duality now, the I, there's no I, but yet the ultimate wisdom, the realization is still absent there. So when we practice this emptiness, when we watch, it is beyond duality. Tangyam chimbigi, inje, or like nijin legewi inje, dondambi inje. So this kind of appear. So I will see those compassion also as an emptiness. Maintaining this state, then one will start getting the bodhisattva, like 10 bhumis and 5 paths. To get the first bhumi, the Sa, Tangbo, Raptugawa. The name of the first bhumi is called Raptugawa. Raptugawa means joyful, so much of joy. So to get there, we have to reach to the third Sachu Lamga. So the third part. The first part is Choklam, Jorlam, Thonglam, Gomlam, Milopelam. So third one is Thonglam. Thonglam is like path of sea. Sometimes we may make a mistake because like if somebody is able to abide in the nature of mind and able to maintain nature, they think that this is a Thonglam. Now I am actually the first level Bodhisattva. So we start declaring this. This is a misconception. I also thought like that, before. Like understanding kind of nature of mind simply mean maybe we are in almost in the path of sea like that. But actually it is not like that. Like whatever we do, shamatha and the vipassana meditation should be starting from the choklam dangbo, choklam Burma, then jorlam chungwa, like that. So many things to be discussed. Again, to discuss this thing, we need little bit of base practice, little bit of glimpse about those, spaciousness, mindfulness. This kind of practice should be there. These are related to meditation. Choklam, jorlam, then thonglam. Then when you reach to the thonglam, the path of seeing, that is where you get the first bodhisattva blooming. Raptugawa. The bodhisattva, the 10th level also considered into two. First till 7 is madaksadin. So once we reach the Thonglam, our gurus, teachers, they say that once we reach in the body this level, then one can really benefit the beings non-dually. Past Bhumi till 7 is called Madaksadin, means Jamshi Sempa. These are the general bodhisattva, normal bodhisattva. 8, 9 and 10 Dakpasasu, then it's extraordinary. So they have title here like Jamchu Sempa. Then 8, 9 and 10 Jamchu Sempa, Sempa Chembo. Because when I was young, sometimes my father used to give me to read a boom and this one. When I read, sometimes I feel, this is a mistake or what? They are repeating again. Jamchu Sempa, Sempa Chembo, Jamchu Sempa, Sempa Chembo. Why they are putting? We heard only Jamchu Sempa. Again, Jamchu Sempa, Sempa Chembo. They add another. Jamchu Sempa, Sempa Chembo. Sempa Chembo means greater bodhisattva. So he's getting why it's repeating, but not like that. That is lack of knowledge. So like that, the 7 till past to 7 is a general bodhisattva. Then 8, 9, 10 is a Jamju Sempa, Sempa Chambo, the greater bodhisattva. So once you finish this 10th, then you can go to the Chusum, Dojijin Pesa, or the Chuduk, the 16th. We can go like that. Actually, these are the practiced, the Devi Parchin, Tapki Parchin, Topki Parchin, Molamgi Parchin, Yeshiki Parchin. So this another kind of the Parutichimba, the Devi Parchin. That this one, the 6 parameters is causal. This will lead us to reach to this, another, the fruitation bodhisattva. So now in Mahayana, realizing of selflessness of I and the selflessness of phenomena. Phenomena is divided into two. Outer appearance. Outer appearance doesn't mean only out, including your body and inner consciousness. So in the Mahayana or the middle turning of it, so we recognize both the outer phenomena as empty and inner consciousness as empty. So this selflessness of I and selflessness of phenomena being one and remaining in meditation, then this kind of bhumis and this kind of things will reveal. Until and unless we do not practice, I don't think it will reveal. So like that. So therefore this is some kind of like Mahayana kind of practice, generally.